Good morning, everyone. Today is kind of a packed day. I have a writing group meeting in the morning from 10 to 12, and then from 2 to 4, I get to go to the print study and look at the photographs of Tony Gleaton, which is the whole reason why I'm here. There is a big, international conference going on in DC right now, and that's impacting bus schedules, transit, and being able to get places. And I'm actually running late to get to the office because of it. Now, luckily, people at SAM realized that this was going to happen, and so our meeting became hybrid, and I was trying really hard to get there on time, but because I know I'm going to get there late, I'd rather be there on time hybrid than to get there in person late. So right now it is 9:44. I'm going to set up my computer and get ready to join the writing group. I have a lot of positive feelings about being here in DC. I've really been enjoying my time, but I will say, because we're in a basement apartment, there's been a mild, maybe slightly less mild than the word mild, but bug problem. So we had the exterminator come yesterday to help us flush the house of all these insects, and this giant cockroach just crawled out of the door this morning. I would show you, but I don't want to relive the trauma of recognizing how big this cockroach is. But let's just say it is easily an inch and a half, 2 inches long, and half an inch thick, and his legs are huge. So but luckily Eric's here, so he very chivalrously and valiantly handles all of the insects. So I'm just here to exist. I'm gonna miss him when he leaves. He has to go back early, but not anytime soon, thank goodness. But yeah, it's right down there. That's why I'm talking about it, because I'm trying to fill up my water and it's dead, but it's watching me. Anyway.
These prints, the broadsheet versus the magazine or the bound volume,
Part of me feels really bad that I'm not there in person, because it's just a great way to build community. And again, because of this conference going on, impacting travel and things like that, they prepared for delays and it will be hybrid. But really, it's because I was just so tired last night. I tried to go to sleep and I couldn't sleep. And then because of that, I took forever to wake up this morning, and that led to me missing the bus. And then I tried to call a Lyft, and then the Lyft wasn't going to arrive in time. It was going to get me there 10 to 15 minutes after 10. Again, so had I just pushed through my exhaustion or planned ahead a little bit better, I could have possibly made it, but it was just a rough morning for me, and that's just what it is. I'm still showing up. I still did the work. I still am here to give feedback, and I'm happy that that's an option. Sorry, multitasking is not my forte, but it's not because I didn't care. It's not. It's just because them's the breaks sometimes. Them's the breaks. Okay, so since I didn't go into the office, Eric and I are going to go out to eat for lunch, and then I'll go into the office so I can make sure I look at the archives and the prints, which is the most important thing I do today. From lunch and not for, or usually we come for dinner and not for lunch. For lunch, everything is self-service. So I'm gonna put a picture of how nice it usually looks. And this is how it looks now, but it's still really, really good. This is so interesting. So the insides were separated and then we're supposed to mix it with our broth. I thought it was just all in the broth. A little splash.
Yeah, put that in the vlog.
Okay, you
Y'all
got
stay
it.
in school.
Now, I'm not actually sure, but I think where my appointment is to look at the archives is actually right here in this building, but I'm not 100% sure, so I'm gonna go to my desk and ask people, and then if it is, you'll see me in there, and if it's not, then we're gonna find a new location in this office. Okay, I just got confirmation that it is in that glass area that I showed you, so I'm gonna log onto my computer, check my emails, and then head over there. Okay, so just in case you're a little confused about what's about to happen, so the reason that I came to the Smithsonian is because they house a lot of the photos of Tony Gleaton, and specifically his work in Mexico and South America, and maybe one or two images of him as a cowboy, or doing his cowboy series, not him as a cowboy. So right now I'm on my way to the print study room to look at the actual images that he took. So usually you'll see them online or on computers, but today I'm seeing the physical forms of the photographs that he took. And so that was great. They let me loan a book about photography and language because, as we all know, I am not a trained art historian in photography, so I'm doing a lot of crash course stuff. At the end of my appointment, I actually invited all of the fellows and like the coordinator of the program to come in and look at the images too, and then we had a little bit of a conversation. So that was really, really fun. I didn't record like the objects, and that's because of copyright concerns and things like that, but that was a very fruitful first look. I'll probably look at it again in a couple of weeks with the curator of photography and some other people that I'm working with, and then one other time before I leave in late August. But yeah, all in all, what a wonderful experience. So I went back to my desk and sent some emails, but I'm actually on my way gonna go home because I want to do some reading and I don't actually have the book here. Okay, so I'm on my way home, and that's because now that I've done all the looking, I want to do some reading. I have this goal to finish this book by the end of the week. Don't think I'm gonna do it, but the book is at home, so I have to go home to finish the reading anyway. It's like dumb hot outside, but I'm in the shade and it feels really nice right now. Can I be honest? It was so hot on the way walking to the apartment from the bus stop that all I had the energy to do once I got to the house was hop into the shower and this and this. So I know I said I was gonna read. I know I did. I know. But I'm not. This is the end of the vlog. This is all I'm doing for the rest of the night. It's this, okay? This is who I am as a person. One day, I will be a reader. No, I won't. I'm not even going to lie to y'all. I just don't have it in me. So I want to thank you all for joining me in this vlog. Seeing my day, what it's like. And if you're interested in more DC postdoc Smithsonian vlogs, you should watch this video next, and I will see you next week.